All right, now we're going to talk about growth hacking in this lesson. And the first thing I want to do is give you an accurate description and definition of what growth hacking is, because as you know, everybody throws around this term. It's a huge buzzword, and if you search on LinkedIn, you'll see just countless people adding growth hacking to their profile. So what is growth hacking, Andrew? What does it mean? To me, I used to call it aggressive online marketing before it was a term. To what it means is chiseling away growth and marketing prowess and market share without a budget. You know, big companies have millions of dollars and tons of money to throw at campaigns to grow their business, but most likely you don't have that, and all the projects I've worked on for the last 12 years haven't had huge budgets. So we've had to be aggressive and think outside the box and how to hack growth away from different channels, different media, different partnerships. How can we barter this and that? It's just being really aggressive. So I want to give you a couple examples of things that have happened in my career so you can start to think like an aggressive growth hacker. My most famous example, I was working for a classifieds website in Dubai, a startup that copied Craigslist and added a profile functionality. And before it was common to do growth hacking with marketers who sit with dev teams and think about ways to hack the product, by the way, we're going to talk about that, I was sitting one evening with the developers and thinking of outside of the box ideas and shooting ideas out to them, and they're telling me, no, that's stupid, no, that's stupid. I'm like, what if we made a scraper that scraped all the mobile numbers of all of our competitor sites? And they were like, oh, wait, we could actually do that. We can build a software, a really quick script that goes and rips all the other ads off all the other classified sites. That's a really great idea, Andrew. And then we can categorize it by what they're selling, so their car, their apartment, whatever, and then we can upload those bulk mobile numbers into an SMS bulk provider, and we'll send out an SMS to those people, a text message, and we'll say, hey, I saw your job, hey, I saw your car online, you should try this website instead. So we ended up doing that, and we sent 40,000 text messages in the next week to people, and we crushed our competition in 1 week because we knew we had a superior product. My phone was off the hook, ringing with text messages and calls from people. Oh my God, I sold my apartment in 1 day. I found a new car. Thank you so much, blah, 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 blah. If you're confident in your product, then you can do anything. You remember what I said, there's no such thing as targeted spam. Those people didn't know I was going to text them, but I'm giving them value for free. And so we hacked that system. We blew the competition away, and that's how I want you to think. There's no such thing as a stupid idea, and if nobody's done it before, whoo, that's a potential major win for you. So in the next few lessons, we're going to talk about the two main types of growth hacking, but the main thing is that you have an aggressive mindset and you want to test everything. You're hungry to find those potential massive wins for your company. So I'll see you in the next lesson where we're going to talk about the first type of growth hacking into your product. I'll see you there.